We all desire a life filled with excitement, love, and above all, happiness. Thanks to various manifestation techniques, we can learn how to bring our desires into reality with the right mindset. One widely known technique is the 5-55 manifestation method. What exactly is the 5-55 manifestation method? Is a straightforward approach to manifestation that relies heavily on positive thinking and scripting. This method involves repeating affirmations for 5 consecutive days. The name 5x55 refers to the practice of writing down a specific affirmation 55 times each day for 5 days in a row. This repetition is believed to reprogram the subconscious mind and draw the desired outcome into one's life. Many individuals use this method as a tool to focus their intentions and enhance their manifestation practice. How does the 5-55 manifestation method function? The reality is that manifesting is a powerful tool for self-improvement. You cannot simply wait around for your dream career to appear magically. Instead, you must take action to achieve your goals, and manifestation techniques are a way to activate the law of attraction. According to life coach Susan Shearer-Young, your thoughts, the visions in your head, and the actions you take attract what you want and create your reality. By dedicating time each day to concentrate solely on your life goals, you increase your chances of attracting them. The 5-55 manifestation method provides a structured way to ensure you set aside time to contemplate and focus on your intentions. The number 5555 is also significant, as it is an angel number symbolizing change and transition. Encountering the number 555 is a sign that you are on the right path and possess the solutions to your challenges within yourself. Therefore, the 5-55 manifestation method serves as a deliberate approach to manifesting and acting upon that change. To achieve the best results with the 5-55 manifestation method, there are 3 essential steps to follow. How to utilize the 5-55 manifestation method. Establish your intention. Clearly define what you wish to accomplish. For instance, if your goal is happiness, consider what happiness means to you specifically and identify the changes you'd like to see in your life to attain it, making your intention more tangible. While many recommend performing the 555 manifestation method in the morning, the key is to find a time that suits you best, ensuring you can concentrate solely on your intention without distractions. Select an affirmation. Affirmations are positive statements written in the present tense that reshape your thoughts from a perspective of gratitude. For example, you might select, "I am grateful to wake up every day filled with happiness and joy." Embody the feeling of your desired manifestation as if it's already your reality. As you write, immerse yourself in a mindset where you experience the emotions you would feel if your manifestation were already achieved. Continuously questioning whether the method has worked stems from a mindset of lack, lowering your vibration and hindering your ability to attract what you desire. Write your affirmation 55 times per day for 5 consecutive days. Opt for a notebook and pen that you enjoy using and find a tranquil environment to jot down your affirmation. Staying focused on your desired manifestation throughout the writing process is crucial, redirecting your mind if it drifts. You may also find it helpful to enhance your intuition by lighting incense. Release your attachment. After completing the 5 days of writing your affirmation 55 times, it's time to relinquish control and trust that your manifestation is underway. Believe it will come to fruition, express gratitude to the universe, and let go of any lingering thoughts about it. You have the power to manifest virtually anything you desire. Perhaps you've been experiencing feelings of loneliness lately. Consider employing the 5x55 technique to manifest a new friend or reconnect with an old one. Manifestation techniques extend beyond just love and money. Below are a few examples of affirmations you can utilize with the 555 manifestation method. I express gratitude for the presence of my soulmate in my life. I appreciate the success I've attained in my career. I welcome the additional money flowing into my life with gratitude. I express gratitude for my ongoing physical well-being. My body is resilient and healthy. I am surrounded by love wherever I go. I take pride in the self-love I have cultivated. I express gratitude for being asked on a date by the person of my dreams. Manifestation techniques serve as methods to intentionally focus on what you wish to manifest. In reality, our thoughts and actions are constantly influencing manifestations, even after our initial intentions have materialized. However, it's advisable to avoid using multiple manifestation techniques simultaneously, as this may convey to the universe that you doubt their effectiveness. It's essential to select a method that resonates with you to maintain positive energy while setting intentions and repeating affirmations. You possess the power to shape your reality with your mind and determination alone. No external tools are required for manifestation. Avoid fixating on when or how your manifestations will materialize. Patience is key as everything unfolds in its own time. Trust that what is meant for you will eventually come to fruition. Instead of dwelling on unsuccessful manifestations, focus on identifying and releasing any negative thoughts or beliefs that may hinder your progress. Stay positive and enjoy the process of manifesting.